Greetings, thrill seekers. Welcome to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the eerie world of Halloween night. Get your supplies ready because we're about to create a spookaliciously haunting masterpiece. Our journey begins with an old tombstone. Weathered with cracks and scratches, telling tales of times long past. Craft rip in the middle. And let's draw a jack-o'-lantern right beside it, grinning menacingly into the graveyard. Give our jack-o'-lantern two sinister eyes and a bone-chilling laugh. After all, it's Halloween night. Everything must be haunting. Add some eerie grass to enhance the atmosphere. Now let's craft a supremely scary backdrop for our drawing. First, those ominous floating clouds, a staple for Halloween night's spookiness. And what's Halloween without bats? Add bats flying around, starting with that round face, two little eyes, and two menacing teeth sticking out. Add another bat. These bat monsters are on the prowl for their next target. How spine-tingling does that sound? And our ghostly spider friend, perched right on the brink of the tombstone. It's as dark as our spooky night itself. Don't forget to give our ghostly spider two eyes in the middle. To finish off our eerie scene and set the stage, draw a big glowing moon in the backdrop. These mystical creatures roam around under the full moon on Halloween night, sending shivers down your spine. Now let's add life to this chilling scene by bringing out the colors of Halloween night. Color that tombstone in dark and light shades of purple. Our jack-o'-lantern should be in the classic deep orange. Make the big moon a haunting yellow. For the bats, go with dark, menacing shades of gray. And to finish it off, paint the clouds in a classic gray. And there you have it! Our eerie Halloween night scene is complete. I hope you enjoyed this spine-tingling journey. If you did, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fantastic art adventures. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, let your imagination run wild in the dark, just like our spooky creatures here. Until next time, keep creating.